This question says, suppose you start at the point 1, 0 on a unit circle and move a distance t equals pi over 8 along the circle. The terminal point for t equals pi over 8 is given here. Now we want to find the terminal points for various angles that are related to pi over 8, the first one being 7 pi over 8. If you read the hint, it asks us to draw the unit circle and label all of the t values. So why don't we go ahead and do that? So here I've gone ahead and I've drawn the angle pi over 8, which we know to be in quadrant 1. And the reason that we know that is because here this is an angle of 0 degrees. Here is an angle of pi over 2, which I could rewrite so that it has the same denominator as 4 pi over 8. So pi over 8 is between 0 and 4 pi over 8, therefore it's in quadrant 1. Here we know this angle to be pi, or we could think about it as 8 pi over 8. Now I want to draw the angle 7 pi over 8, and that is going to be in quadrant 2. And in fact, it's going to be in quadrant 2, and it's going to be really helpful for us to think about the reference angle. So here, this is 7 pi over 8. And our reference angle is the acute angle formed by the terminal side and the x-axis. So that reference angle there is pi over 8. And that becomes important to know because then we basically have the mirror image of these triangles on opposite sides of the y-axis. So when we're trying to come up with the terminal point for 7 pi over 8, it's going to be very similar to our original terminal point. The only thing that we're changing is because it's reflected on the other side of the y-axis, the x-coordinate is going to be negative. So here, if we are writing the coordinates, it would be negative square root of 2 plus the square root of 2 over 2, and the y-coordinate is going to be the same. So square root of 2 minus the square root of 2 over 2. And that is our answer for the first question.